It's an amazing statistic, but there are about 17,000, a little bit over 17,000 kids aged 0 to 19 who have been either killed or injured by a gun, by a firearm. That's about 47 a day, and there's about 8 kids who are unintentionally hurt or killed every day in the United States. We should be able to address this issue. When we had this kind of problem around cars, we institute all sorts of policies and technological changes to make our cars safer, to make our roads safer. We mandated car seats and seat belts, and we didn't take anybody's rights away from driving. And we can do the same thing here in the United States. We can land on Mars, then we can send people to the moon, we can reduce the number of injuries in cars. We can also do something about this, and we just need to have the political will to do something about it, and to join together and do something about it. It's a national issue. It's how do we make and create safe and healthy futures for all of our children in the United States.